Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome DevTools with Ctrl+Shift+I or CMD+Option+I. This puts you where debugging happens. Once open, pick a panel, Elements to inspect DOM, Console for logs, Network for requests, because each answers different questions. Make sure to set the dock position so your viewport and tools align with how you work. If you plan to edit styles, click an element now. Otherwise, switch to Network and reload to capture requests immediately. Once done with opening, inspect a specific element by right-clicking and choosing Inspect so you directly land in the Elements panel. Then edit CSS live in the Styles pane to test fixes. Remember to check Computed to understand which rule wins. Meanwhile, use Network with Preserve Log enabled when tracking redirects or multi-step requests, and add breakpoints in sources to pause scripts. These steps let you iterate fast, reproduce bugs, and validate behavior without changing source files yet. Finally, debug using sources. Set breakpoints, then step over, into, or out to follow execution flow so you see why something fails. Next, profile with performance to measure rendering and CPU cost, and check memory snapshots to spot leaks. Once fixed, clear cache and do a hard reload with Ctrl+Shift+R to verify changes reflect like a new user sees them. If things still misbehave, inspect console for uncaught errors. That single error often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.